Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Ankita Sehdev, Principal of Atam Public School, Islamabad, Amritsar, India region, said that hands-on exposure allows students to engage with history and science beyond textbooks, making learning immersive and memorable. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today, we have with us a very special guest. She is Ms. Ankita Pratik Sehdev, Principal, Atam Public School. Welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your experience being here?
It's very, very nice. I'm feeling very pleased. Even if I'm not here, that definitely I would miss everything. And I guess in life. So I have learned so much from this session. I have so many exciting, some of the passionate ideas are there in my mind now, and some of the idol speakers are there, and I have learned so much from them. Thank you so much for this
That's-
session, and very, truly very thankful to Times to Grow team and all the leaders who are leading this group. They might be very doing a crucial work, I think, for the nation, for the society, as well as for the educators too. And we are very thankful to them. Honorable thanks to them. I'm feeling very pleasure to be here. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, ma'am. It's the presence of educators like you that makes this initiative a beautiful experience that it has been. So, ma'am, a quick question about your school. What's the core learning philosophy at your school?
So we have a very amazing philosophy in our school. We have a separate private museum regarding the history. As we
Okay.
were talking about the history subject, and I am a chemistry master's in chemistry actually,
Okay.
and my husband is master's in history. He is MA in numismatics and MA in archaeology. You
Wow.
have learned both of the subjects. It's quite difficult, and that is not presented here in Amritsar actually.
Right.
That's in Chandigarh. He is one of the students in Amritsar. He is only one student in Amritsar who is taking initiative regarding the history coins, and he has been a best collector, best northern Indian collector, actually young in the very young form, and we have a private. I was talking about the private museum actually. So my father-in-law, he is late Shri Devdutt sir, and actually all the educators who are coming here, they each and everybody know about him. He's a great he was a great poet, and he's a legend in Atam Public School actually. He started this collection of antiques,
Okay.
and we have made a part of our museum, and just give the name of Shri Devdutt, our heritage museum. And it is the only and only one museum in Amritsar actually, where you can see lots of coins, lots of Sikh coins are over here. Manuscripts are there, terracotta items are there, so many of the fossils are there, and I think no one in the university they are having this type of things, and we are educating our children, our students in all the languages, by spite of practical, giving them the practical knowledge.
Right.
They actually see those things and make a part of their life, and they make a part of their memory actually. Okay, you are not looking these items on the books, on the pages, not only in the chapters. You are just feeling it in a living form. So we have the fossil of dinosaur too. We have a fossil of mammoth. We have a fossil of starfish. So these are about the science, and we have the manuscripts. Handwritten manuscripts are there. This, as we say in Hindi, it's hastalikhtaएं. So it's there. The terracotta items about the Gupta period items are there, and we have lots of antique items. The First World War Museum is there. the soldiers who have used all the things in the World War, First World War. We have such kind of things like their tiffins, their helmets, their a typing machine is there. So lots and lots of things are there. And from the spite of this channel, I would like to invite all of you to our school, Atam Public School, Islamabad, Amritsar. Please visit. Actually, UNESCO team has also visited our school. Yes, it's near about 3 times they have visited, and they have do lots of search. And Discovery Channel have also visited, and it was just a very nice experience because it was the first Lori festival after my marriage. That was our Lori first festival, and they have just fully give the coverage of culture program of Lori.
Right.
And we have so many of the cultural items too, like charkhas are there, then so many like old ancient, you can say, the fulkari items, so
Right.
many of the things which are belonging to the Punjabi culture actually. So we all are having those type of items too, and kindly visit us please in Atam Public School, so you will have a definitely a great experience regarding that.
Absolutely. That's one sort of experiential learning experience.
Yes, that's why I was telling you that is one of the unique methods which we are giving to our students, that they can we can just give them a show and they can learn from it.
That's absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your views and telling us all about your, wonderful school. Thank you for being here.
Most welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 721707010 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.